What are the differences and similarities between a table and a matrix visualization?
In the world of data visualization, tables and matrix visuals are important tools for showing and studying data. Although they both try to share information well, they have different features and uses. Let's look closer at these visuals to see how they are alike and different. A table visualization typically presents data in a tabular format, with rows representing individual records or categories and columns representing attributes or metrics. Each cell in the table displays a specific data point, making it easy to compare values across different dimensions. On the other hand, a matrix visualization organizes data in a grid-like structure, with rows and columns representing different categories or hierarchies. Matrix visualizations allow for more complex data arrangements, enabling users to display multiple levels of data summarization within a single view. In summary, table and matrix visualizations offer distinct approaches to presenting and analyzing data. Tables excel in displaying detailed information in a structured format, while matrix visualizations provide greater flexibility and interactivity for exploring multidimensional data relationships. By knowing the differences between them, people can pick the right one to share insights and make better decisions. Thank you.